Hello, this is Wendy. How are you guys? It's been a week since the last time I've posted, and look at my face. You can tell I had a great week. Yes. Yeah, in the words of Taylor Swift, I've been left to my vices and crises. And this is insane. So the title of this video is how to get rid of pimples. As you can see, I don't remember the last time I had two big pimples like this. And this is so insane to see the impact of what you eat on your skin, on your, of course, on your weight. That I knew. But the weight I can deal with because I know how to go back as long as I don't go too far. But it's insane, and I even have a cold. I don't know, a mess. I've been eating candies, chocolate bars, some things that look like it's mixed with some type of bread, but the bread doesn't feel like bread either. It's like a lot of chemical type of pastries, with I don't know, purple colors and things of that nature. And therefore, I gained weight, and therefore, my skin is acting up. I have two, it's like literally parallel, like the both sides of my brain were like, no, 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 no. So one over here, one over there. My under eye is so dry. And I've been using my sorry, I told you I have and on top of that, I have a cold. Like yeah. So it's pretty sure that I'm going to post twice a week again. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how I'm going to get rid of this, how I'm going to fix my under eye, because you can, if you can see, but yeah, you can definitely see it's very dry, and therefore I have little scars. So I'm giving myself 2 weeks actually. Next week I'm on vacation. I'm giving myself 1 week to get rid of these pimples. I'm giving myself 1 week for the state of my skin. And I'm giving myself 2 weeks for my weight because you can't really tell because it's not so much on my face. But and it's not like I've gained 10 kilos, but I know the next step, and the next step after that is going to be real difficult. So I might as well hold the whatever by the whatever, and make sure that we don't go too far. Because when you go too far, then when you want to come back, it's too difficult. Takes too much energy, and then you're like, I might as well be whatever I am. And we don't want that. I don't want that. So it is what it is. So I am also going to cut. And please join me if you want to. I wouldn't join any YouTuber or whomever if I didn't feel like I knew what were the benefits for myself. But yeah. So basically, I'm going to eat the way I usually eat, even though, yeah, pretty healthy because look at this mess. And yeah, I had cravings and stuff like that, so it is what it is. And I'm going to cut sugar. I've never eaten so much sugar in such a long time. Mm. I'm stopping after this video. I'm going to finish this lollipop. Yeah, a grown-ass woman eating candies, sucking lollipops. What do you expect? Okay. So yeah, so I have these two pimples. So I'm gonna show you what I do to kind of reset, and also drink a whole lot of water. I'm going to cut alcohol, and we'll see the results. But I'm really not afraid because as long as I know why X and Y um, produces this and that, it's easy to fix. I know I've been eating very poorly and been drinking not more than usual, but it definitely the food. I don't remember the last time like I let myself like go like this. It was cool though. It was nice. Chocolate was nice. But I definitely want to be taking care of myself, and I don't want to reach a point where I'm gonna be like, oh my god. Because we may say whatever we want. It's important to feel good about yourself, and it's not even healthy, so whatever. And I cannot wait. Something that I never cut. Something that I not that I didn't try to cut, but that I never cut really was alcohol. So I'm pretty excited to see what is going to change on. Let's be honest, my weight and my skin as well, but it didn't seem to have an impact on my skin. But maybe it's gonna be even nicer, even though I was pretty much. I told you I have a cold, so round of applause for me. And yeah, so let's say it's a 2 weeks journey, and so these two pimples, I need them to go away as soon as possible. The under eyes are liking moisture as well. I need to drink a whole lot of water. I've been drinking alcohol more than water. I haven't been drinking a whole lot of water either. And yeah, so I know I'm kind of all over the place, but the next video I will tackle one thing at a time and it's gonna be fine. So let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my toner with the acid hyaluronic. You already know. If you don't know, watch the previous videos. And I'm going to use a cotton and apply over here, over there. And I'm going to make sure that I feel that the area where I'm pressing is absorbing the toner. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah, 1 week. This is what you get. But I went hard. I went hard. Like things that I didn't, I don't know, maybe that I have a few times in my entire life. Now I have them, I had them like working and eating candies at the same time. Okay, that's cool. Let's fix it before it goes too far. And I'm actually gonna tell you. Oh shoot! I know the last time I weighed myself, I was at 83 kilos when I actually was able to stabilize my weight at 77 kilos. Let's say 78 kilos. So basically, in the span of 2 weeks, I would like to get rid of 5 kilos. This is very realistic. And yeah, so after that, yes, I'm also using the baggy method. Still using the baggy method. If you don't know about it, it's in the previous video. And then, of course, I use my La Roche Posay effaclar Duo Plus. and I'm going to apply it on the area only. Like tic tac. And then I'm going to apply the Roche Posay Duo Plus on the problematic areas. This is what I'm going to do, as I do not have to go outside. And then for my under eye, which is very dry, I'm going to use my eye mask with avocado and aloe vera. I don't know, kind of, oh yeah, and it's something that I didn't do in a long time. I actually did a full face of makeup to go out. My skin must have been like, what? But no, I know it's not that. I definitely need to drink water. And that's that. This one over here. And yeah, so definitely a 2 weeks challenge that I'm gonna try, maybe if it works, to make it a lifestyle change. But the thing is, I'm telling myself 2 weeks because I'm gonna go harder than I would go if I didn't have weight to lose and pimples to get rid of. And then just seeing what works, what doesn't work, and keeping the good, keeping what's compatible with me, leaving what's not compatible with me alone, and that's that. So I'm sorry, I really wanted to make it shorter than that. But actually, as I was talking, I planned a new series of videos. So it's not just the pimples. Because the thing is, I know where it comes from. And if we can narrow down the reasons and the things that have an impact on our skin, on our weight, etc., 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 it becomes so much easier because I really do feel like we underestimate the impact of what we put in our body. Like, I know for sure my liver is gonna be like, "Thank you, girl. It was a lot." I don't even know. I promise you, I don't even know. I don't want to know. This liver is over here. We're gonna let it rest a little. My skin was doing good. It's gonna go back to whatever it's gonna go back to. Healthy, flourishing, whatever. The weight, I already know how to cut it down. I'm gonna go a little harder, and that's pretty much it. And the reason why, once again, if you see me on this channel talking about anything with confidence, is because I've experienced it, I've applied it, not once, not twice, usually one, two, and I'm like, that's that. And yeah. So everything I'm applying is because I've used it in the past and then went back to the dark side and then went back to the good side. And I was like, okay, that's the correlation between these pimples, my weight, dry skin, dull skin, etc., etc. So that's pretty much it. Honestly, I'm kind of sick, so I'm gonna leave you at that I don't even know if I'm gonna post this video because it was supposed to be about my pimples, but actually it's gonna be a new series, a 2 week series to get rid of the extra weight and to get rid of the pimples and the dry skin. Okay? So see you in the next video. Big kisses to whomever is watching. It's pretty cathartic for me and hopefully it helps you in any type of way. So yeah, kisses and bliss in the Middle East.